How to add location on weather app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's open up the weather application on your device. Now this is the official home page of the application. Now to add the location on weather app, what you have to do is you can see the option of plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of enter location over here. Tap on enter location, and here you can just enter any of the location that you want to add up. So for example, if I want to add Delhi, then I'm just going to select it, and here you can see the option of add to start page over here at the bottom. Tap on it, then tap on view on start page, and there you go, you have successfully added location on weather application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.